Go for it, sis.
Okay, so here in the South, people normally have like rain gauges in their yard. We don't have a rain gauge in our yards like most people do. So I got up this morning, hadn't had coffee, came out, was gonna watch Sandy feed the chickens and whatnot, and forgot that it had rained the last couple of days. So I sit down to watch Sandy, and I have determined that we had at least a half an inch of rain the last 2 days, and here's how I determined that. Yes, the chair was full of water. It is almost as good as a cup of coffee in the morning as far as waking you up. Yeah.
Here, have some of mine.
I need this and clean panties.
Maybe
Lord.
some dry jeans, huh?
The joys of getting older, I swear.
Oh, yeah, blame it on age.
There you go.